improved voice guidance on the Google Maps for walking direction, so that people that are have vision issues, like blind people and
Vision.
low vision, they have an easier time navigating the world that we're in with better voice cues. And here they have on their blog, Google's blog, they're kind of breaking down what they're trying to do, how they're trying to get more detailed voice guidance for people so that they can easily use that to navigate walking the streets. And I personally think it's always better for people, like easier access. It's one of the better parts of technology, is being able to map out the world and being able to utilize it for people that don't necessarily have it very easy. What about you?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what it's like firsthand. I'm wondering if they mean that it tells them more precisely where to turn when they're walking along, or what kind of details this includes. Because obviously, just naming a business that you would turn at is not helpful. And I doubt that it would say, but maybe it says like if there's certain curb differences, or only sidewalk on one side of the street. That's kind of something that comes up in this area from time to time. I wonder what it includes.
It doesn't exactly give a lot of detail as to what it includes. It's just saying that it is rolling out this new feature to get more detailed voice guidance and new types of verbal announcements for walking trips. They're saying that it's built from the ground up for visually impaired. So, but it doesn't actually give a description as to what those extra voice announcements are.
Is this already released, do you know, or is it in the future?
I think it's actually right now a beta thing, because they are saying that starting today, World Sight Day was when they wrote this. Google Maps is rolling out new features, a new feature.
Okay.
So rolling out for Google can take months at a time for like all the phones to get it. I know they just rolled out the dark mode for Android Gmail, the Android Gmail app, and that was actually a few months ago when I saw the first announcement of it. I just got it like last week.
It does take time. I'm assuming that it'll just be a choice, an option in the Google Maps app, but once, I guess, it more fully launched at firsthand.
Yeah, it's to turn the feature on, go to Google Maps settings and then select navigation. At the bottom of the list, you'll find the option to enable detailed voice guidance.
Okay.
So
settings,
it is
navigation, detailed voice guidance.
Yeah, so it is an opt-in.
Or that'll be beneath the walking options.
Yeah. Thank you for watching Tech Talks. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.